Hi, welcome. I'm Lindsey, and I'm excited to show you Crafty's HQ office in Chicago. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you see when you come off the elevator is our company mission, Craft a Better Workplace. It's one of the first things that we want you to see when you come in the office to give you just this light, fun impression of who we are as a company. One of the coolest things about this wall is that one of our in-house designers, Rebecca Ross, designed all these cool, fun little snacks that actually feature little Chicago moments. So we have Chicago chips, we have the bean bar, Wrigley Pop. It just really celebrates who we are as a Chicago company. The second thing you see when you come off the elevator is this feature wall. So we feature our snack of the month. We, of course, have snacks for all of our guests to grab. And then we have some of our brand awards and photos of our co-founders. So it's one of my favorite moments to really brighten the day when I come into the office. All right, let's go this way. Okay, so transitioning into our main kitchen area, we have our breakfast nook for just really cute, quick grab and go items to start your workday off on the right foot. Ice machine with nugget ice. Of course, we have to have the best ice in Crafty HQ. And then we have our bevy, our beloved bevy, one of our favorite partners. This is actually a brand new bevy machine, so you can have hot water if you just want really quick tea. You can also do different boosts, which is really cool. Right now we have the vitamin boost in there so that you can add vitamins to your different flavored sparkling and still water. And then we have our beverage fridge, which is expertly merchandised in the Crafty way, of course. Moving over to our Nespresso machine, lots of different options. This definitely gets everybody going right when they start their workday. And then another thing in our office that just makes sense are these little decals to show people where things are. And then closing it out in our main kitchen with our tea section by Rishi, which is another one of our favorite partners. Their tea is the best. Another cool feature of our office is our logo wall. It was designed in-house by our product design director, designed and 3D printed in-house, and it features some of our most beloved partners, clients, logos, and of course, this is growing every day. I would also be remiss if I didn't mention our snack pillows. They bring a smile to everyone's face when we come in. Goldfish, Cheez-Its, we have a bunch all over the office, and so it's one of my favorite features. But right now, I'm a little thirsty, so let's grab a drink. But do you even Crafty if you don't have kegs in your office, though? This is something that gets me out of bed every day and definitely brings a lot of our team to the office. We have 4 different options. We have a fall spiced tea nitro cold brew, which is really cool because we have that nitro edition that we can always do. And then we have kombucha. And then one of my favorites are Big Shoulders matcha mint tea. I drink this all throughout the year. And of course, all of our disposables are compostable. I'm very, very specific about making sure we can be as sustainable as we can in the office. And just having this here is something that you can always switch up for team members. Lots of different options. Sometimes we'll do wine, sometimes we'll do beer. But this mint tea, I'm telling you, this is the one, for sure. Yeah, refreshing. Gravity bins are a great way to bring variety into your office and to make sure that everybody has different options. So we have cereal for like a breakfast option, dark chocolate covered almonds for like a good sweet moment, and then also peanut butter pretzels, which are everyone's favorite. They definitely go the quickest, for sure. Next up, we have our wellness room. Whether you're a nursing mother or you're just somebody who needs to take a moment out of your workday, this is the spot for you. Let me show you. So when you come in, you just go ahead and slide this to occupied so that people know that you're taking that moment. And then you can just take a break, right? Sit in this comfy chair, do some crossword puzzles. We have a sound machine. We even have a little mini fridge for personal items. So this is a great spot to just have a little zen in your workday. I wanted to show you that in our second smaller kitchen in the office, we do have multiple coffee machines. So I know that some people might be looking at this like, why do you need more than one? But I think that giving employees variety in their coffee is one of the best ways to attract them to come into the office and to get excited about the office. Because this one takes fresh beans. It's one of the machines that's a little bit newer for Crafty. So it can do all kinds of different drinks, espresso drinks, fresh beans, grinds it right there. And then this one is like your traditional drip coffee for the classics in our office. And I'm somebody who drinks this pretty much every single day. Thank you so much for coming. We really enjoyed having you here. Please come back and see us anytime you're in Chicago. Don't forget to grab a snack and have a great rest of your day. Bye.